Okay, well, here we've got final assembly of Faith's bed, making her a queen size bed. This is made totally out of Canadian pine. Have not used any nails or screws in there. Kind of done the old fashioned Amish way with posts and with dowels and glue, and my nails are my dowels. Here's the footboard, and here are the two side railings. I actually got those done first. But yeah, it's finally assembled. Got it just assembled a few minutes ago, and some rough sanding done. Back in the background is wood for the next project coming up. But yeah, it's come along real nicely. Hopefully, should have it done hopefully soon, depending on time. But there we go. Faith's bed that she's going to have in her room. Next thing will be the finish sanding, and then starting the paint, which will or the stain. It'll be a mahogany, a Bombay mahogany, and on this. So stay tuned.